is a standard 2-queen bedroom in Coronado Springs Resort. We're in the Ranches building. So we've got the 2-queen beds, a little sitting area, 2 windows around the corner, a Keurig with the Joffrey's coffee, mini fridge, little desk area. There are some barn doors here that you can close for a little more privacy. And then here's 2 sinks. And this resort does have all of the Disney Resort little amenity kit. Some more space for your luggage. And then a separate room for the toilet, shower. It's a really nice, cute room. Great resort.